search warrant, get on the ground!
We specialize in electro-hydraulics, so we are the only U.S. manufacturer of tactical breaching hydraulic. These tools are designed specifically by tactical teams for tactical teams. With that being said, this is our 4th generation of this product. We've been making them for over 10 years now, or over 5 years now. At the heart of this system is a 10,000 PSI electro-hydraulic pump. Basically, we have the fastest retraction on the market, which is really important for multiple breach scenarios. If you think about like a vestibule door in a commercial facility, and then you've got the apartment door or whatever behind it, you could breach multiple sets of doors very quickly. So everything's very linear, very controllable, so you can reset your tools. So say you're going on target with your 11-inch door pusher, but you may have a chained gate or something you're going to need to cut through. These integrate right in. They have a small amount of retention, so if you try to take it out and not go linearly, so if you pull it straight out, it comes out nice and easy. If it gets stuck on something or try to go out that way, it doesn't until you go straight up.
Pounds of pressure. You put that on a full door, even a commercial door, just opens it up. Okay? What do you think about the system? I think it's pretty freaking incredible. Somewhat almost like a barricade. If I had to, I mean, it's obviously it's opened up, but if I had to, just to show you how far that thing pushes a door, even a barricade door. I've never seen any doors barricaded out 11 inches. And if there was more, I'd put it in there. It'll rip rebar. It includes that spreader and pretty much all these extra tools and all that stuff. My thing is, I think I'm gonna buy one. Wow.